In today's video, I will teach you how to add an electricity effect to any object using GIMP. Let's get started. Before starting, make sure you have the GIMP plugin installed in GIMP. You can download and install it in the GIMP plugin registry or through the GIMP website. If you're working with a specific object, such as a car, use the Paths tool to create a precise mask around it. This will isolate the object for the electricity effect. Now we're going to create a new layer with only the selected object. To do this, go to Select, then from Path. Then copy the selected area by pressing Ctrl+C, then create a new transparent layer, and paste the selected object on the new layer. Now, duplicate the object layer before proceeding. Always work with a duplicate to preserve the original image. If your object has intricate details or thin lines, apply bilateral filtering to homogenize similar areas. To do this, go to Filters, Gimmick, Enhancement, then Bilateral Filtering, then adjust the settings as needed. To emphasize the edges of the object, use the Gradient Norm filter found in Gimmick under Contours. Then adjust the smoothness, linearity, minimum threshold, and max threshold to enhance the edges while minimizing unwanted details. For smoother lines and reduced aliasing effects, apply an isotropic smoothing from Gimmick under Enhancements. This will further refine the appearance of the edges. Then use the Smudge tool with a small brush size and a rate of 100 to manually refine the details of the electricity effect. Then create flashes and uneven waves along the edges of the object to simulate electricity. Then duplicate the layer and apply Gaussian blur with a radius of 20 pixels. Then set the layer mode to screen. Repeat the step with a higher blur radius for a stronger glow effect. Then create a new layer from the visible layers and adjust the colors using the Color Balance tool. You can use predefined color presets or customize your own. For a more intense effect, create a new transparent layer and apply solid noise from the Render menu. Then set the layer mode to divide for an extremely flashy appearance. If the flashes are too intense, soften them using the Curves tool to adjust the contrast and brightness. Now, merge the layers containing the electricity effect and set the layer mode to screen. This will blend the effect with the object while preserving its details. Then add a layer mask to the original object layer and use the blending tool to create a gradient from the front to the back of the object. This will blend the electricity effect seamlessly with the background. Sharpen the image if needed and make any final adjustments to achieve the desired look. And there you have it. You've successfully added an electricity effect to any object using GIMP with a Gimmick plugin. Experiment with different settings and techniques to create unique and captivating effects. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.